To be in present. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. In the past, to be, I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, they were. To be in the perfect. I have been. I have been. You have been. He has been. He has been. She has been. It has been. We have been. They have been. In the future, to be is I will be. You will be. He will be. She will be. It will be. We will be. They will be. Nice and easy.